Good afternoon, Honorable Professor, distinguished guests, and esteemed colleagues. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present our research title Enhancing Startup Comedy Summarization Using Cohesion and Coherent with Deep Learning. This presentation offers new insight and benefit us all. Today, I will explain this study in detail, aiming to develop a model capable of summarization stand-up comedy text while maintaining humor, passion, and coherence. This research has been supported by the guidance and mentorship of my esteemed promoter, Professor Aji Prasetya, Professor Siono, and Professor Wahyu Kurniawan. This my research background. Startup comedy is a unique structure featuring punchlines and wordplay designed to deliver humor effectively. The main challenge in summarizing comedic text in retaining humor, cohesion, textuality, and coherent logical flow. Using deep learning, this research aims to create a model that can understand and retain this element in the summary. This my research objective to develop a deep learning model capable of summarizing stand-up comedy without losing the context and humoristic meaning. To analyze whether a deep learning model can preserve the essential narrative structure and humor element. The aspect of the research in text summarization is the crucial to maintain the relationship between text part and logical flow to make the summary understandable and enjoyable. A deep learning model, particularly with what to fact embedding, is used to grasp the structure of comedic text and generate relevant use summaries. Humor is difficult for machines to interpret because it relies on context, tone, and sometimes cultural nuance, making it challenging to develop an effective model for humor summarization. This material and method dataset text from stand-up comedy performances was collected and processed to form a relevant dataset for model training. Data pre-processing includes tokenization, breaking text into word, lemmatization, converting word to their root form, and stop word removal. What to fact generates numerical representation of words, aiding the deep learning model in understanding the humoristic context of text. This is primary goal my research. This method captures the cohesion and coherence of comedic text while retaining humorous element. Research methodology. The step 1 data collection, gathering text data from various stand-up comedy performance. 2 data preprocessing. This is data processing, cleaning text, and preparing a dataset the model can process. Model embedding using what to fact, and model development, and next training and validation, and last evaluation. Model training, the deep learning model using what to fact embedding to understand humor in context. Evaluate the model to ensure the generate summaries, maintain cohesion, coherence, and humor. The result analysis, model accuracy. The model is evaluated based on its ability to retain humor in the summarize. Cohesion and coherence. The model is tested to see if it can maintain the storyline and narrative context that make humor effective. Some challenges were identified such as punchlines that are easier to convey consciously without lost meaning and humor. the trend accuracy and validation accuracy and trend loss, validation loss. It's meaning uh, the this metric help assess how well the model comprehends and generalize inside automating. Accuracy indicate how often the model makes correct prediction or generates citable summaries. And loss measure how well the model learns from data during training with low loss values indicating better performance. This metric help assess how well the model comprehends and analyzes that automated data. Confusion metric analysis. The confusion metric evaluates the model's performance in identifying parts of the comedic text deemed funny. Using word-to-fact embedding, this metric help identify areas where the model makes prediction errors. Accuracy for accuracy efforts graph display a graph depicting the model's accuracy improvement over several training efforts. This graph demonstrates if the model is gradually learning from the data, which is essential in measuring the model capability to produce cohesive and coherent summaries. Confusion metric for funny prediction with word to fact embeddings present a comparison between model accuracy and loss values took training. If the graph show overfitting pattern where the model clings too closely of the training data, adjustment like recognition or dropout might be necessary. Understanding accuracy and loss is crucial to ensure the model performs well on training data and generalize effectively on new data. Comparative performance analysis of summarizing model display in performance comparison between the research model and summarization model. Assess how well the model preserves cohesion, coherent, and humor compared to a standard approach to highlight the advantage or weakness of the developed model in this research. In conclusion, the finding demonstrate improve the design development model shows potential for effectively summarize state informative text, maintaining cohesion and coherence while delivering humor. This limitation challenge persists in retaining specific humor elements, particularly part lines that rely heavily on context. This future research could focus on improve technique to capture humor nuances and context and develop more optimal summarization method for humoristic text. Furthermore, future studies might investigate the applicability of this technology to diverse forms of humor or content genres. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.